I'm going to use my last year's GCC jersey as a baseline. This is an extra large, so I don't know. Let me see if I can still fit into an extra large. Oh, oh my goodness. Híjole. This is yeah. 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 Oh. I feel like trying to get into like a girdle or something. Not that I know what that's like, but anyway. Woo. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh. 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 So this is what extra large looks like on somebody that's 210 pounds. Yeah, 205 pounds maybe. So, hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and this month, September, is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month. And like last year, this year I have again joined the Great Cycle Challenge, which supports the Children Cancer Research Fund. I have pledged to ride 1,000 miles for this year's Great Cycle Challenge. Now, part of that is also, for 1,000 miles, I'm hoping to maybe lose a little weight. Not very flattering so when I hit the road wearing this jersey, but maybe that'll be motivation for that 1,000 miles, right? So as I ride 1,000 miles with my XPremium, I'm hoping to actually get in some really good exercise. The XPremium is a mid-drive torque sensing bike, which means that it is a pedal assist, not a pedal for you type of e-bike. And so if you want to go plus 20 miles an hour, you really got to actually put in some leg power in order to get to that speed. So we're not talking about distance. We're actually talking about speed. And so if you want to sustain a speed of greater than 23, 24 miles an hour without like tearing up your chain and gears, you're really going to have to pedal. And so I'm going to pedal. And I want to see in this month, as I try to ride my 1,000 miles, what does that affect on the good old figure here? Yeah? We're going to go ahead and try to do a little weigh-in and see what that's like. Because I think I'm like, what, 200 pounds right now? And I want to drop to like, I don't know, 180. So let's do a weigh-in and see what this actually looks like. All right, let's see. Híjole, it lies. Okay, let's try that again. But this time, I'm going to try to tilt the camera because I was holding the camera. So maybe that adds like, 20 pounds, right? So let's take a look. I'm holding the camera. I'm going to have it on my stand. All right, let's see. No, it still lies. 215. All right. Well, so it looks like I got some work to do. Okay, so as you can see, the scale lies. The video adds 20 pounds, or maybe 15 pounds. Nonetheless, we're going to use this scale, this line scale, as our baseline, and we're going to use it to track our weight loss, and then we'll use Strava in the computer to kind of help us track our mileage, right? So 1,000 miles and try to lose 20 pounds, and we'll see how that goes. And last year, through the generous donation of Electric by sponsoring a team, I was able to achieve more than $2,500 in donations by riding more than 1,500 miles. But this year, Electric isn't sponsoring it, so I am looking for other ways to generate donations for this challenge, which again, I'm trying to reach $2,500. So one of the things I'm going to do is I will donate all revenues generated in September from my YouTube channel. Now, I am not anywhere like the superstar like Mr. Beast or something like that. I maybe get $100 a month, but maybe with your help, by liking and sharing, I can actually get that further up. And what I'll do, again, I'll be transparent and I'll show you the actual progress of the actual projected revenues and the actual donation to the Great Cycle Challenge. So with that, I hope you will follow this particular series of videos, and I hope this is so far entertaining. And please hit the like and share button if it has been. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. That would really help me out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the follow-up videos on this 1,000-mile challenge.